your horns, or whatever it is you have, Two Shoes. Behold! The Chamber of Misery! What lurks here is 100% Grade A misery! Witness Zack the Zipper!
I'm stuck!
Once you get caught by Zack the Zipper, talk about your misery! Get ready to shiver when you see the veggie beast! Half overcooked broccoli, the other half raw carrots! Who's all goose pimply now?
Ooh, not the carrots! Make it stop! Make it stop!
Does he have a sidekick named Onion Dip?
No! Terribly amusing. Joke all you like. But can you handle this?
It's called the Hooded Chicken!
No one knows exactly why.
I'm gonna go out on a limb and suggest it's because it's a chicken. Wait for it. In a hood?
Or just maybe, it wears a hood because it has no head. Monsters tremble in terror when they hear its dreaded "Paka!"
With no head, how does it Paka?
Hey, Dad! Look at me! I'm wearing mittens, 'cause my hands are cold! Or maybe I don't have any fingers!
Good one, Bees!
The Chamber of Misery is no place for the The Hooded Chicken is genuinely horrific!
Not to mention delicious!
Ooh, I'll take mine with a side order of spooky fries.
And a tall glass of not remotely scary!
Hey, I've got one. Why am I wearing earmuffs?
Is it to keep your ears warm?
I have no ears. I'm wearing sunglasses.
Is it to shade your eyes?
I have no eyes.
Oh, I've got another one!
Me too. I'm Halloween.
You can't see my feet! Maybe
I don't have any. Come to think of it, have you ever seen Heloise's feet?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
What do they look like?
You know, 8 toes, purple, long toenails. Normal.
Seriously?
Stop interrogating me, man! I confess! I've never seen them. What about you?
No, but I'm pretty sure they're... Well, you know, maybe they're... Wait a sec. Maybe she really doesn't have any feet. Nah.
Bet you I can get a picture of her feet before you can! Ha! That's a bet you're going to lose, my friend!
Winner gets bragging rights. You are so gonna get bragged on.
Pshaw, says you!
Pshaw says me. I'm the bragger, you're the braggy.
Loser says what?
What? Hey, not funny.
Big prizes await! Ow! Hello! I'm with the popular TV show, Show Us Your Feet! How would you like to win big prizes? Imagine yourself using this pencil. How about bouncing this rock? Munching on this partially eaten sandwich. And shoes! All you've got to do is show us your feet! Ah! Fine! I'll finish the sandwich myself.
That's weird. I thought I already packed my Jimmy doll.
Hey, Heloise, what's up? To you too. What did you say about a Jimmy doll?
Look out, meteor! I'll be back at 4. Don't miss me too much.
Heloise, meteors are gone. You want to go to the beach?
Great idea!
Aren't you hot? Oh, I am. Whew. Steamy, boiling like a sauna. I have a spontaneous idea. Why don't you put on a bathing suit?
I think I will. Be right back.
I am so gonna win, bragger.
Says you, braggy. Well, Whoa, Heloise! You're a mermaid?
Silly! It's my mermaid swimsuit.
Heloise is a mermaid? She's so weird. I'm making a the grape juice. Take off your shoes and help me stop.
Lame.
Excuse me, ma'am. Foot inspector here. I'm gonna need to look at your feet.
You're funny, Jimmy.
Hi, Heloise. I'm your biggest fan. Can I have your footprint in this block of concrete? Please?
Is that a no? Hello?
Up for a game?
Not really.
How about a three-legged race?
You don't have 3 legs, do you?
No!
I'm starting to think those boys only care about my feet.
You think that's bad? They have no appreciation for misery. None!
We'll just ask her. She's gonna be angry if we keep trying to trick her.
Or, better idea, we could keep trying to trick her.
Beezy, you've got it all wrong. Heloise is our friend. She would never keep secrets from us. Okay, not really important secrets. You think? Here, give me a boost.
Heloise is the hooded chicken!
It can't be. I don't believe it.
Don't you see, man? She's been a chicken all along! You never saw the feathery signs, but I did! Yo, Heloise, why the egg?
Because it's comfortable. I'm hungry, okay? Stop staring.
Aw, you're just making all that up.
It could happen. She is so the hooded chicken!
I'm glad to see you've come back, boys. You didn't believe me before, but the hooded chicken is nothing to laugh at. It eats monsters whole with spaghetti.
That sounds scary.
And yet delicious!
Scary-licious!
Watch for the signs!
Before it strikes, the hooded chicken always puts a feather on your door, warning you. You're next!
Even if Heloise is the hooded chicken, she wouldn't eat us.
She might. I'm so delicious!
There's a feather on my door!
Who cares? There's a feather on my door, too!
That means you're next!
I think you're next!
Well, technically, it depends on whose door she put the feather on first.
No, Heloise! Who are you planning to eat first?
Busy! Listen, Heloise, dear friend, I know this might sound downright silly, but Beezy here, he was thinking that you're,
Spaghetti, fellas.
the hooded chicken! Worm eater!
And she's not sharing!
Quick, find somewhere safe to hide! Seriously, this is your idea of somewhere safe? It can't be her. Can it? It can't.
She got me too.
I am the hooded chicken. I will eat you now.
I'm too juicy to eat! I'll squirt!
Don't believe him. He's delicious. He said so himself.
And that's what you get for making fun of my chamber of misery.
Guys, I'm not the hooded chicken.
You and Lucy tricked us?
Yep, that's what happens to Snoopy friends who try to trick me first.
Another display for the chamber of misery. The tricksters get tricked. Now that's misery.
Seriously, guys, If you wanted to see my feet, all you had to do is ask.
Can we see your feet?
Not a chance!
Jimmy, check it out.
You know what, Bees? Some things are best left in mystery.
Hold me.